Welcome everyone, just want to show a very cool print from Gearbest. This is Apollo Astronaut by Charlie 1982. I testing my simplified 3D profile on a Sapphire Pro printer, and I think I getting really good results. This is 55% scale down, but I clearly can see that its printer do very great job, especially this supports. It's a tiny, but this printer printed quite well. I printing in 65 millimeters per second speed. PLA. Actually, I don't know what kind of PLA is this. I get this PLA when I buy this printer. So I'm using 205 degrees for filament and 45 degrees for my bed. This printer is real Corexy, not like Ender 5 and so on. So this printer have no this big strange axis, it just builds pure Corexy. Linears also, I really like it. Very quiet printer. What I can hear it, just my extruder, because I using Zeha op 0.2 millimeters. (200 microns, 65 millimeters per second. PLA, 205 degrees. Apollo Astronaut. Support. Really nice model actually. And I really like this support. So you need to think. Just print like this. Getting really nice quality. Enjoy guys, and happy 3D printing to you!